In this series of videos, I will perform activities meant to demonstrate some of the named thermodynamic processes. In this video, I will illustrate isothermal processes at room temperature, about 20 degrees C. I will try to limit commentaries. Please watch the video carefully and pause where needed. With some exception of freeze frames, like right now, the video is unedited. For the isothermal process videos, I will initialize N, that is the number of molecules in the heat engine apparatus, at two different times. First to set it at the smaller value, and after a single run, at the larger value, in a similar way as the other videos for consistency. In this initialization, I am setting the gas temperature at 0 degrees C, ice water. Placing a 500 gram mass on the piston and trying to set the piston at the lowest volume without the piston touching the bottom. This will give us the smallest N that will ensure that the piston won't touch the bottom in the course of measurement. Now we set the gas temperature at room temperature, about 20 degrees C, for this set of isothermal processes. This is the volume of the gas at the lowest pressure, with no additional masses on the piston. Here's the first 100 gram. And as pressure increases, the gas undergoes isothermal contraction, reaching a smaller value. Here's the second 100 grams for a total of 200 grams. And the third 100 gram mass for a total of 300 grams. And the fourth 100 gram mass for a total of 400 grams. And we'll go up to a maximum of 600 grams. Now there is a total of 500 grams on the piston and 600 grams for a 600 grams total. So this is isothermal contraction. You will see something that is like isothermal expansion when I remove all the masses. The piston won't quite return to the same position because of the gas leakage. There was a separate video in which the gas leakage has been characterized in more detail in case it's needed for analysis. Now, in this second initialization for the N, I'm setting the gas temperature at about 40 degrees C, the temperature of the warm water. And allowing the gas in with no additional mass on the piston, I will pull the piston to the largest position. This gives us the largest N, set in a manner consistent with all other videos. Now we return the gas to room temperature for the next set of isothermal processes at room temperature. This is the starting volume at the lowest pressure with no additional mass on the piston. Here's the first 100 grams. And here's the second 100 gram for 200 grams on the piston. Third 100 gram mass for a total of 300 grams. Fourth 100 grams for a total of 400 grams, and we'll go up to maximum of 600 grams. Here's the fifth one, 500 grams. And the sixth 100 gram mass for a total of 600 grams. So that's isothermal contraction starting at larger N, and when I remove all the masses, you will see isothermal expansion. So this is 2 runs of isothermal processes at the temperature of 20 degrees C. We have run the same experiment with the other 2 available thermal reservoirs as well. Thank you.